The BMW M2 Competition, which replaces the standard version of the two-door performance coupe, will start at $59,895 in the US. As first reported by BMW Blog, the M2 Competition will start at $58,900 in the US plus $995 in destination, bringing the price to $59,895. Full price and details in regards to optional extras are not yet available, but we hear it will be offered with an $850 executive package, which will add a heated steering wheel, adaptive LED headlights, automatic high beams, wireless phone charging and a speed limit monitor. An M driver's package will also be offered, and while it's not yet clear what this may include, the same package was offered on the standard M2 and included a BMW performance driving school, along with the removal of the 155 mph top speed limiter. Other options for the M2 Competition include an M double clutch transmission with drive logic, which will tack $2,900 onto the price, a $1,050 moonroof and $550 metallic paint colors. The 2019 BMW M2 Competition comes with the 3.0-litre S55 twin-turbocharged inline-6 from the BMW M3 and M4. The 405 horsepower engine replaces the 365 horsepower, single-turbo 3.0-litre found in the standard M2, mainly because BMW had already adjusted the S55 engine to meet new, stricter emissions regulations. Apart from this new engine, the M2 Competition also receives an M differential, retuned steering and suspension and a more robust brake kit. Order books for the 2019 BMW M2 Competition will open this week.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.